Okay, this is room 9331, Junior Suite, tropical view. Start off in the bathroom. Has double sinks. Very nice shower. Toilet area. A huge oversized jacuzzi tub. It's really hard to see the scale in the video, but it is huge. Walking into the bedroom, this is a king room. You can get a king or double beds. The closet area over here has slippers and robes, but the best thing about this is the secret box here. So if you order room service or you need hangers or anything, if you need extra pillows, if you don't feel like seeing the staff, you can just put on the do not disturb and they will put it right in the secret box. So they do not have to come in your room. And the do not disturb button is right here by your door. So you turn that red and that means no one's going to come in your room. So if you do want housekeeping, make sure you do not turn that button on. So this is the entry-level room here. So this is kind of the quote-unquote worst room that you can have, and it's still very, very nice. There's an espresso type machine, and that's restocked daily. Same with the snacks. And also the mini bar. The mini bar is restocked daily. And if you want something different, for instance, I don't really drink soda. I drink a lot of water. You can just leave a note in there and a few dollars are appreciated and they'll leave you whatever you want. Little desk area. Little couch, great for room service. And there's also a tablet, and that's how you can see all of the activities. You can order room service, you can do spa treatments, you can do all sorts of things right from the app. And this is building 9C. We're right by the lobby. And again, it's tropical view, so it's not gonna be anything too fancy, but it's still a very nice view. Little swim up right below us. Outdoor seating. So again, this is the entry-level room, and it is still absolutely gorgeous. I feel like there's nothing basic about it. If you are interested in booking, I would be happy to help you. You can reach out to me on my website at memoriesandmojitos.com. If you have questions about the resort, feel free to leave them in the comments.